Hello everybody and welcome back to another one of my videos. Today I'm going to put the cover onto my polytunnel. I've been waiting for this to come in the post and it's finally here. I've got the plastic one for it, but then I decided that I'm going to need one to keep it warmer, so I'm going to have to get the clear one. Ordered this online, so if you're building your polytunnel you just have to know your measurements and then you can get your tarpaulin for it. And I've got the hooks to hold it down, so that's what it looks like. It's just the same as the greenhouse one, so it's going to be quite warm inside. So I'm going to try and put this on, then once I get it on, be back with you in a minute. Right everyone, so what I'm trying to do now, I've got the tarp on. It's a bit bigger than what we said it would be. I think they've left a lot of room on it, so we're just trying to get it right so we can do the sides and get it on stiffer, because it's a lot wider than what they said it was. So I'm just trying to get the right amount on each side. So that's the cover on it. If you're building your own, you can get the cover. This cover is bigger than what they said it was. So we're just gonna have to try and work with it and figure it out how to get it on tight so that it's not blowing and flapping around. But I'm just trying to straighten it out, so see if we got an even amount on both sides, then we can work, because we've got more at as you can see, once you do it you get all the flies and everything inside, but I've got the fly traps for those. Try and straighten that up as much as I can. I'm just trying to figure out everyone how to sort it out. I'll lift this up and let you see what it looks like inside. That's what it looks like inside. So now I've got to try and stiffen it up and do something with the sides now to get it right down. They've got the holes there ready where you're meant to put it down to, but I don't know whether to start with the sides or with the back. So we're going to work with that and then I'll be back with you in a minute. Right everyone, so we've got the tarpaulin where we want it, so now I'm just going to anchor it in using some tent hooks or some tent pegs, hold it in place. So I've rolled it up at the bottom because it's longer than what we thought it was. So I'm just going to put the pegs in and then get it held into place so that it's all tight, so that when we do the other side it comes down tight. So that's more or less what we're doing now. We've got to figure out what we're going to do on the corners now. So I'm wondering if I should get the other side tight. It's not as tight as I want it to be, but it'll do for now. Or maybe it'll get tighter when we do the other side. So that's what it's looking like at the moment. So we're going to do the other side and see how tight that comes out. So that's the back of it. I'm not sure what I'm going to do with the front yet, because we've got quite a length at the front. As you can see, we measured it to the right length what we wanted it, but now that it's come, it's longer than what we thought it was. So just gonna do this side, then I'll be back with you in a minute when we've got most of it on, and then I can show you what it looks like. I don't know what I'm going to do with the front yet, but we'll have to work that out as we go. Right everyone, so now I've got the cover on. So now I'm just trying to work out what I'm going to do with the front, because we've got a lot of excess at the back and at the thing. It's not as tight as I wanted it to be, but it'll do for now. So that's what it looks like while I put some of these pegs in. Huh? Something down there, bent that one. So I'm just putting in some more of these tent pegs. What I'll do later on, I'll get some longer ones and put in there. So that's what it looks like. So all I've got to do now is sort out the front. I'll let you come round the back. Because there was a lot of excess, what I had to do is overlap it and that for now. But I'm going to have 2 big pots up in the corner, so it should be alright for now. So please remember to like, share and subscribe. Tell a friend to tell another friend. If you want to leave a comment in the comment section. We will get back to you on them. This is just a polytunnel that was cheaply made, so I can't really fuss too much about it because that's how it was. It never cost me a fortune like the size polytunnel what I want. So that's how it goes for now. So I'm just going to put in a few more of these pegs and then I'm going to see what I can do with the front so I can put the flooring in. Right, be back with you in a minute. Right everyone, so we've got the sheeting on now and I've got the weed mat down. So what I want to do, I want to put a layer of mulch on the floor. Don't know if I've got enough to do all of it at this time, but I'm just getting it in. That's how I've done my polytunnel on the cheap. The front of it, I'm not sure what I'm going to do with the front of it. I might have to get some clips or something how to design it, but I had to cut the tarpaulin, which I didn't really want to do. So all this mulch we get for free, part of the allotment. So lucky enough, everything's on this allotment plot, what you want. So that's how I built my polytunnel. I need a thick layer of this soil, so I'm gonna have to try and get some more. They keep dropping it at the front and it's too far for us to bring up, because we will need bags and bags of the stuff. Hopefully we're getting there. From where we started till now, we're getting there. Soon now I can get my start getting things into the ground now. See, the grass is starting to come back already. But this is how you have to take your time and do what you can for yourself. So I hope you all enjoy this one. That's how I built my polytunnel on the cheap. You can see the condensation in there already, just the same as the greenhouse. So hopefully I need to get my pots and everything in there ready for my sweet potatoes and everything else what can go in the polytunnel. So remember, like, share and subscribe. Tell a friend to tell another friend. If you want to leave any comments, leave a comment in the comment section. We do answer most of your comments. If you've got any other suggestions, I know this one ain't as tight as I want. I had to cut the front to a design. So what I'll have to do, once I've got the flooring and everything in, it'll be easier to work on. But I'll just have to get some clips to clip down the front so that to keep the heating and everything. So I hope you enjoy this one, and thanks for watching, and I'll see you all on the next one. You take care of yourselves.